control. Like it on cold, but I like your drugs. Sit in my blood, maybe too much, never enough. I'm your dog, I'm on your flow. All that you want, but I like your drug. Get all worked up, loving you, but it's not enough. Loving you from the air I go. Your heart from air like whoa. Feel pulls you from mine. Just a reckless up and down. Broken is all gone. All the air from the bottom of my lungs. Water running down my face. Water running different ways. Water like a billion waves. Water just a tear in space. Water running down my face. Water running different ways. Water like a billion waves. Water just a tear in space. Ooh, too late, my love. You blew me into stardust. Ooh, but I made it just dangling like a thread from you. Climbing into your walls. I'm where the spiders go. I'm here, but you aren't sure. What are you waiting for? Stretch me like leather rope. Make me invisible. Shape me into your form. What are you waiting for? Stay so in love. It's an airless plane.
Haha, it was good chat. How we doing? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you all doing, man? Good morning. So, I can hear myself now. Wait. There you are, that's way better. Whoa, couldn't hear myself speak. Cool chat. How we doing, man? Welcome back to the stream. Let me change this over. Turn this down a little bit. Perfect. Good morning. What's good, Dylan? What's good, Max? What's good, Bill? He who brings the night. What's good? How's everyone doing, man? What's good to be on? Chat. Everyone come say hello. Good morning. It's Tuesday. It's going to be a good day today, man. It's going to be a good day. So, daily came up last night. Flipped. Grabbed the bottom wick. It's now starting to reject a little bit, but the 1 hour here has got no top wick. So, sorry, no bottom wick. So, can we grab a position on this flip potentially? I don't know. Let's do a breakdown real quick. You got a 30-minute close right here, so we got a little bit of time to do this breakdown. What's good, Nick? What's good, Levi? What's good, Adam? Good morning, everyone. Good morning, chat. Welcome back, man. I'm excited to be back on stream again. The highlight of my day, jumping on stream with you guys, so I'm excited. What's good, Cookie, as well? Welcome. Yeah, so chat. The weekly time frame yesterday, sort of, did we reflip on the weekly? Yeah, we did, of course. So we reflipped on the weekly yesterday, which was interesting. And yeah, obviously you've got some room to come down here still. I do believe probably at some point we're going to need to come up and grab a bit more liquidity though. I don't know if this is enough for us to make that push down. Potentially it is, but yesterday's daily closed pretty much doji, right? After grabbing a little bit of liquidity, you didn't really push anywhere, to be honest. You pushed down for a little bit, but after that, yeah, not anywhere special. So potentially you need more liquidity, or we're either waiting for the news events that are coming towards the end of this week. Again, I don't think we have any news today. But yeah, something that's sort of something that sometimes happens is we can wait till the end of the week or wait until news to make that big push, and we might just be doing that right now. So let me turn that on. Yeah, so 4 hour as well, no top wick. You sort of wicked into this area, and now you're starting to reject just a little bit. Then, yeah, this hourly's coming down towards a flip here. Let me see. So yeah, your hourly's coming down towards a flip. What areas do we have for this hourly level? Let me just see. I didn't mean to put that line there, but there you are. I believe we have some clear traffic all the way down until 2386, right? Let me see. To the left. Yeah, you should have some room down here. I would say till around... yeah, till around 2386 you've got room. How did the 30-minute close? The 30-minute close bullish. Bottom wick first. Okay, fine. So we're going to have to wait and see on that one. In terms of buys, though, we're not going to have buys for a long while, I don't think. Let me just look. Buys would be probably above this area here at 23 23.99, I would say. If you can come and close above there, yeah, that should be good. I believe that'd be, yeah, the daily would have flipped. You'd be re-breaking a high. I'll push it up a little bit further here towards the top of this level at 2400, just so you get this fake out here. But yeah, until we get to that area up there, I'm not interested in taking buys until we close above, because at this point you're starting to trend down like very strongly, and every time you make a push up, you still come down and make some lower lows. So yeah, we need some market structure to be broken here in order to take any positions for buys. Now you're about 70 pips away from that, and then we can try and grab a position in this range if this 1 hour starts to flip. If not, we'll have to wait for this this level here at 86 to be broken and close below. But once that hourly does flip, you've got about 40 pips, I believe, to the bottom of the range. Yeah, 35, 38 pips, something like that. So yeah, that's not bad, a little analysis there, chat. That's what our analysis is going to look like for the day. Hopefully that made sense. Again, very, very simple, right? It might change throughout the session, just because we're very early on into the session still. I don't think we've really made a move yet, so yeah, it might change dynamically throughout the session, but at the minute, all I'm looking for is a simple closure below and simple buys above, and that's it. Crazy. What's good, Carl? With some feet picks for pips. That's insane, bro. Yeah, 10 pips for a picture. You got a deal. You got a deal, my friend. Good morning, Charlie. Morning, Michael. Morning, Zulu. What's good, Mark? How you doing, bro? Yeah, I'm good. Quartec, what's good? Hey, bro, which broker are you using? Or are you trading funded? No, I trade with a broker. I trade live mostly at the minute. I'm not really trading too much funded. But yeah, I'm using, let me see if I can get a link for you. I don't know if I have one. Nah, so I'm just using AvaTrade, bro. So avatrade.co.uk, I think. That's my broker that I'm using at the minute. avatrade.co.uk. Not even an affiliate link, but yeah, that's what I'm using. Hi sir, I'm a graphic designer. I'm working on with lots of top traders. Do you want catchy thumbnails? Maybe. DM me on Instagram. DM me on Instagram, bro. Not on stream. Been in buys since 7.3 and getting clapped. Oh, 7:30, my bad. Oh yeah, okay. How come you're still in the trade? What's the plan behind that? But chat, how was everyone's day on Monday? How was everyone's day? We killed it in the signals, to be honest. We got like, to be fair, we had one win which was like 11 pips, 10.5 or something, and then the second trade ran about, I think I saw peak 12 pips. I didn't close anything because I thought it was a runner position, but we actually ended up coming and hitting break even. So yeah, W day yesterday for sure. Can you look at charts to stream? I can. Bring this across here. Previous daily closed bearish, 4 hour closed bearish, 1 hour leaves a wick to fill, and a 15-minute onion setup. 6 sales on the flip after creating a steeper wick. Entry time 8 AM, London open. What can I have done better in this trade? Stop loss hit. Yeah, so you basically took this flip here when it initially reflipped, right? Sorry, here. The only thing I can think of is the fact that the 4 hour had no top wick, so you sort of got a potential liquidity grab on that 4. Go on the 15, that's where you're going to see the trade. 4 hour top wick was the issue. Yeah, I believe the 4 hour top wick was the issue too. Yeah, did you make some structure here? You made a little bit of structure, yeah. Look on the 5 as well. You've sort of got some higher highs and higher lows being created on the lower time frame, but again, that shouldn't have been too much of an issue. I don't know how big the top wick was, but maybe you didn't grab enough liquidity. And also maybe just this push was exhausted. Now you've moved down with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bearish candles in a row without one retracement. And also, you might have just been unlucky. I didn't see the setup, so I can't really comment too much on it, but that 15 bearish gave the impression it was going to retest the low. Yeah, yeah, you might have just been unlucky. And literally, sometimes it happens, right? If that's part of your plan, then, and you've seen that trade play out before, then don't worry about it. Really don't. Like, you'll be fine. Sometimes it just, sometimes it happens. What's your email so I can send you my works? Bro, I'll reply to you on Instagram after stream, brother. Hold and praise strat. Yeah, trust me. Trust me. Hamzain, what's good? Hello. Chat, my runner survived still. My runner survived still. We're up 120 pips at the minute on the runner. I saw 220 peak, but we're still surviving. So maybe we'll hit TP at the bottom of the range for 1,000 pips. Who knows? All the way like down here. Full runner. Nah. So I'm sample sizing a play. And just to test it out, whenever I'm sample sizing, I always leave runners because that sort of helps you track where the trade would have gone, you know, and how far you could have rinsed the trade. So I've got like a 10% runner, not even, of my initial position. The position was from up here, I believe. Yeah, position was from up here, literally on this wick entry up here, and closed most of the position at 100 pips, and then the runner can run, and that's it. Yeah, you Gucci. Yeah, 100%. Unless we, obviously, if you start to re-rate there, then you're going to come further up. If you ride the monthly Philip, shit might go for months. Yeah, I mean, it's not like a game changer position or anything because of the size, but it's just something that would let run. Dylan, SG, I'm struggling again. What's wrong, Dylan? What's wrong? What's wrong? I think I caught the same as you, bro. I got the 30-minute fake out yesterday. Up here. Nice. No, wait, it was up here. Yeah. My entry was so peak. Like, as in at the tip, not peak. So where can I send you? Spirit Boy, please don't ask another time. I told you that I'm gonna reply to you on Instagram. Just message my Instagram at trendlines, and then that's it. Send the pic to trading floor. Oh yeah, nice, bro. Nice. It's a clean trade. I got a bit of a sniper entry, I can't lie. Let me show you. This is the new play that I've been working on. So it's kind of a sniper entry, to be honest, but I got it from up here. 2406.7, and obviously it's still riding now. Much better than mine. I took the flip. Yeah, man. No, the flip's valid 100%. It's just this entry that I've been working on. I will be doing everything right. Follow the trend. Good confluence, but still lose. I'm losing hope, or maybe I need a break. Why do you lose though? What part of the trade makes you lose, or what's the reason for the losses you're taking? That's important to know why the, you know, it's important to know why why you took those losses. And that's why you either journal or you go back and reflect on your trades. Because if you don't do that, then you can say you're doing everything right, but who knows that you actually are right. Doesn't make much, like, you have to have a very high attention to detail as a trader, right? You need to understand where your trades went wrong. You need to be honest with yourself. Do you think the 4-hour flip? Yeah, potentially. I mean, you're very close to the 4-hour flip, right? Started to reject a little bit too. Oh. Well. But I don't think the 4-hour flip's going to lead to like a big reversal. Most likely it just flips and then, I don't know, makes some structure and comes back down. Unless this is where we've reached the bottom of the push, right? It's very possible too. A long-time viewer, I hope I win the giveaway. When will you announce the winner? I don't know, next week, bro. Let's do Monday next week. Yeah, let's do that. In stream, yeah, of course. Always. It's good, Eugene. Chat, drop a like if you haven't already, man. I appreciate all of you for pulling up. Yeah. Trying to get to like 50 likes today or this morning. Before we can get this this 1 hour or this 4-hour close. Sport's been crazy recently. You guys are killing it. And yeah, I dropped a new video yesterday. I did a little review of Arctic Funding. It's a little prop firm. Make sure you go check that out. There's a giveaway in there too. Giveaway inside. So yeah, make sure you don't miss it. And yeah. I wonder when this shadow band's gonna go, man. Okay, chat. So you got 15-minute pushing up here. Nice. Yeah, I think there's a lot of potential, to be honest, today. Today should be a great day. Would a 1 hour closure be... Oh, wait. You said never mind. I was wrong. My bad. Bej, yeah. Eugene, where you going, bro? So, Rosie, here comes your 4-hour flip that you wanted. Yeah, the 4-hour flipped. Might be able to push up here after grabbing a lot of liquidity. Is that the daily flip too? Yeah, it is. Also the daily flip. So, interesting. Oh. Morning, people. Have a nice and profitable day. What's good, High Life? Welcome back. What's good? What's good? What's good? Yeah, man. Yeah, yesterday was interesting. Did anyone catch this move down here? Anyone catch that? We actually had a wick entry on the 4, like up here. Where was that actually? I can't remember if it was this one or this one. Oh no, it was definitely this one. Yes, we had a wick entry up here. Sorry. I want to go to Zakynthos. A friend of mine is there and it looks so good. Yeah, if you want to go to a place that's full of drunk English people, that's your place, bro. That's your place. Yeah, bro, it's nice though. I've been there 3 times. I've been there 3 times. I used to be one of those drunk Englishmen. Yeah, it's insane, bro. It's like I don't even know how to describe that place, but if you're young and single, then yeah, it's the place to go, I'd say. Can't lie. It was pretty fun. It was pretty fun times. Very like you can just do whatever you want there. It's very free. Yeah, it is, Eugene. That place is actually insane. I can't lie. I don't have any stories that I could actually tell you on here without getting in trouble. What lot are you using on Arctic 100k account with your 100 pip above stop loss? I don't have 100 pip above stop loss, brother. I have on Arctic, like, I don't know, 20 to 30 pips I've been taking on like these props. But yeah, just do a percentage risk on a prop firm, in my opinion. Yeah, I mean, just manage risk the way that you normally would, right? I'd say you could pop like a, it depends what your stops are, obviously. You could pop like a 2 or 3 lot with 100k and be comfortable with most positions. Obviously, if your stops are 100 pips, then you can't pop a 3 lot, but, you know, got like 50 pip stops, you can pop a 2 lot, 3 lot, and then you'll be risking 1 to 1.5%, you'll be fine. Yeah. So the daily flipped here. Interesting. You've come down and grabbed some liquidity. You've also now, you've just got a bit of an indecision here on the daily. You've got no real direction yet. Just sort of ranging in between 400 and 386. So I want to see some clear direction before we jump in any positions. However, I do think now if you close above 400, you should be good to continue up a little bit further. Especially if you do it on this 4-hour candle. Yeah. But yeah, chat, so I've got another video coming out towards the end of this week as well. That's going to be a nice little vlog. As I said yesterday, right, we're going to keep pumping out regular content. But what do you guys want to see in terms of videos, like in terms of trading videos or any videos actually? What would you like to see? Is there any specific content you guys want me to like produce or not? I'm always interested to, I always want to make stuff that obviously would actually help you guys, and the people who are going to know that are you, so let me know. Cooking ones is crazy. Now, legit though, what do you guys want to see? I like the shorts with such reels with a quick trade breakdown. Yeah, nice. I can do more of those for sure. What is the martingale strategy? Is this similar to pineapple positions? Give some ideas so I can avoid. Martingale strategy is simply if you're in a position from let's say here, and you're going to draw down here, and you take another position down here, but it's bigger than your previous position, that's technically classified as a martingale by the prop firms. Basically what it means is it stems from like poker, or not poker, from blackjack or gambling, right? If you lose, you double your bet. But in trading, it counts as like averaging down, but with bigger positions. So you can average down on a prop with the same size position. So you could have like, I don't know, a 5 lot here, and then a 5 lot there. But if you had a 5 lot up here and then you popped a 10 lot down there, you'd be martingaling because you've got a bigger position on your average down, and they classify that as martingaling, which is not allowed for most props. Cool. What's good, Star? John, what's good? Welcome back. Why is that not allowed? I don't know if it's not allowed on. I don't actually know which props it's not allowed on. I know back in the day most props used to not like it. But I actually haven't looked recently. But the reason would be because you're sort of not actually trading. You're just, you know, martingale is a strategy where you can take a loss and be okay with that. You know, you can basically stop yourself from losing. You have enough capital. Deska, what's good? Good morning. Alpha, what's good? What's good, Trent? I'm in a sell right now, targeting the previous daily wick. I should have took profits. Now I'm in drawdown. Where's your sell from, brother? Yeah, the thing is, when you're targeting the previous daily wick, right? That's a good target, obviously, but it sometimes, or a lot of the time, it doesn't fill the entire wick. Sometimes it fills like 80%, 75% of it. This time, it filled about 75% of it. So at that point, I'd then be like moving stops to break even, managing risk, etc. Because, yeah, you have to be cautious of that. And once it's come near your advantage point, you should be managing risk at that point. I'm going to take a break from trading for the rest of the week. All right, man. Well, if that's what you think you need, brother, then yeah, feel free. Obviously, go and do that. Make sure you use it in the right way. Go and reflect on your trades, go and reflect on your psychology, go and reflect on everything you did wrong, and be honest with yourself as well. Don't lie to yourself, it doesn't help. How do I know what lot size to use? Is there a certain percentage based off of the account size? Yeah, so you want to be risking 1% max, right? If you're on a your name's max, but 1% maximum. For fixed lot, okay, for fixed lot. So what you'd want to do is, let's say, I'm just going to use funded for an example because it's round numbers and it's easier, but the same applies for your personal. With a personal account, that you can risk a little bit more, especially if it's a smaller personal account, you can risk more. But let's say you got a 100k account, right? You want to risk 1% on average if you're trading fixed lots, okay? So you want to see what your average stop loss is. Let's say that your stop losses are normally between like 30 to, I don't know, 50 pips. Let's say between 40 to 60 pips, right? That means that your average stop loss is going to be 50 pips, and then you work out what that would be for 1%, right? And obviously with a 50 pip stop loss, you can use a 2 lot, and that equals $1,000 of risk, which is 1%. Make sense? So essentially, you find your average stop loss from your journal. You go back and look at what your average stops are, and then yeah, figure out what 1% would be on average. And then obviously if you take a smaller stop loss, if you take something that's like 35 pip trade, now that you're risking less than you're risking less, which is okay, because then also you might end up taking a bigger one every now and then, and you're risking a little bit more, but it averages out all the way to, you know, same amount. And then what you need to do with that is you need to then have a scaling plan. So you need to say, okay, you know, when I hit X amount of profit, or at the end of the month, right, I'm gonna scale my lots by X amount, right? So that could be, I don't know, 2x your lots if you had a great month, or you could increase them by 50%. Could be anything, right? But that's yeah, that's what you need to do. Simple. But that's a clippable moment. My entries were 2393.26 and 2396.81. Both on sales. Yeah, good call on the break even. I forgot about that one because of emotions. Kill one cap happiness, then came back with drawdown. Crazy. You might be alright, bro. You might be alright. But yeah, just make sure to manage your trades properly. What are you training today? What's good, Charlie, by the way? I don't know if I will train, to be honest. I gotta go to the airport. I don't know. See if I have time, but Chat, you know what I was saying about Apex trying to renew my cancelled accounts? I just got like 100 emails this morning from them. Trying to renew more accounts, bro. Crazy. Insane, bro. Where are you going? No, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just picking someone up. I'm not going anywhere. Good, Casperia? Good, what's good, what's good? Okay, chat, so you got a 1 hour close here in roughly 2 minutes here. 2 minutes, 50 seconds. Yeah. Came up no bottom wick on the 1 hour. It's too late to flip in my opinion, but well, it might not be. Imagine we flip last second. But yeah, this can be interesting. Hopefully before the 4 hour we can close outside of the range either one way or the other. I'd like to see at least some sort of movement that isn't just a range. Because right now all we're doing is just ranging up and down. It's not something I'm too interested in taking. But yeah. Yeah, it's the last week of July pretty much. How are you guys doing so far this month? I'm 4% out from my 50% drawdown. 46% more. Wish me luck, guys. Good shit, Gib. Good shit. Are you more interested in buys? Nah. Not at the minute, to be honest. Depends how the 4 hour closes. If 4 hour closes above, then yeah, maybe. But again, like, everything's bearish. I mean, to be honest, you might come up and grab some more liquidity, so we'll see. Yeah, a strong bullish closure. I wouldn't be against it. Stops would be quite big, to be honest, but yeah. What's your opinion about Marcus Hustle? I've got no clue who that is. Who is that? Let me look him up. Nah. Oh, he's just a consultant. I don't know. Some Instagram guy. No clue, bro. I don't know who it is. Cool. Yeah, chat. So, this 1 hour is about to close right now. You're closing strongly bullish, to be honest. No bottom wick, though. So, yeah. Very, very interesting. My bad, chat. So top wick on the open of this candle too. I don't know what. Okay, you flipped it. Are you gonna see a retracement? Are you gonna see a continuation? What's good, Marsh? Having a bad couple of weeks, to be honest. I used to do like 4% a week, but now I'm doing the same things and just lose. Like it hits stop loss, then goes to TP every time. Try to take some time off and learn more. Yeah, you got to evaluate why you're hitting stops. Also, make sure you're not aiming for a target. Like, make sure you're not aiming for 4% a week or whatever, because that's firstly, it's unsustainable. If someone could get 4% a week every single week, they'd be, well, fucking billionaire. But yeah, make sure that you you know, don't give yourself unrealistic expectations, and also just make sure you understand why you're hitting stops, and then it drives to TP. Maybe your stops are invalid. Maybe you need to give yourself some more room rather than trying to keep tight stops. Oh. What about Iman Gadzi? I like him, bro. I think he speaks very well. Yeah, I know I don't aim for anything, but you know, just absolutely lost streak for like 3 weeks. Absolutely no wins at all. Ah, tough, bro. Yeah, I understand that. That's very, very tough, but it happens. Listen, it's not something that you can't come back from. Make sure you try and stay logical. Don't get emotional over it, and try and understand why it's actually happening rather than, you know, just letting it affect your mentality. You know, try and control the things that you can control, and the stuff that you can't control, don't worry about. And you can't change the past, right? You can't change anything to do with what's already happened. So just, you know, focus on moving forward now. That's what I'd say. Those would be my words of advice. Thanks a lot right now. You're good. Don't worry about it, bro. That's what I'm here for, right? Yeah, London's been dry recently, eh? I wait for the 30-minute closure so I can get the bearish onion. Yeah, maybe. You gotta be careful though, the way the 4-hour wants to close. Because we have no idea whether the 4-hour wants to close above, just in the range bullish, or what. Yeah. I do think you need to make a low first, but I do believe that you can come up at any point now. Look how many times we've rejected off this area down here, right? This area here at like 88, 87. You see, even on the 4-hour, you've waited into it 1, 2, 3 times. You drop to the 1, like you tapped it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Again, right? You're just tapping into this over and over. But yeah, I don't really like. Yeah, exactly. I don't really like selling into a bottom wick like that. It's not nice. There's a lot of liquidity being grabbed, and we haven't grabbed much from the upside. We haven't grabbed much at all. Hey, coach, how are you today? Coach is I like that. Yeah, I'm good, brother. How are you? I'm good, Akosi. How do you invest your withdrawals? Is buying more funded account a good investment? How much do you use on buying funded with 5,000 withdrawals? If you had 5,000 in withdrawals, bro, I'd probably put another 1,000 into a funded account, or 2 funders. You could either buy 2. You go with ACG, or you could buy 2 100Ks for $1,000, and then I'd keep the 4,000 in a personal account. That's what I'd do. Then you got 2 more attempts at another 1,000K in capital, 100K capital, sorry. And you also get to keep 4K profit, which is important, right? You don't want to over leverage yourself and reinvest all your profits. You know, especially keep it in a personal account. Why not? Just trade a personal account with low risk. You have to understand at the end of the day, like, it's all right to scale your capital. It's all right to scale your capital and everything, and like go full into props or whatever, or go more aggressive. But the aim of a prop firm is to get to a large personal account anyway. That's the only way you should be using it. A lot of people use it for the wrong reason. They just try and like get consistent, you know, like try and every time they get a payout, they just go all in on more props. But the aim of the prop firm is to get to a larger personal account. Because otherwise, you're always going to be working for someone else. You're always going to be dictated by their rules when you shouldn't be. You're the only foreign friend that knows how to pronounce my surname well. I appreciate that, boss. Anytime, brother. Anytime. A lot of people say that I can pronounce foreign words well. Nice. Something I struggle with, though. But yeah, chat. So many big things coming, man. I'm super excited for this community. I'm super, super excited. Yeah, you went to private school. What does that mean? That makes no difference. Yeah, chat. Listen, there's so much value coming in this community, man. Like, I'm gonna make everything super, super valuable. Soon, I'm gonna be running a poker night in the Discord too. I said about this yesterday, right? But soon, I'll be running a poker night in the Discord, and I'll give away like funded accounts and signals as the prizes for the runners up and winners. Yeah, chat. It's gonna be really cool. As well as that, obviously, more free course videos coming out soon. Just value everywhere, man. Value absolutely everywhere. If you guys have any suggestions on stuff you want to see, obviously feel free to send that out my way, because you know, I'm always open to what you guys want to see. At the end of the day, you're the audience. You want to see certain things, and if I can provide that, then great. Absolutely great. So many Vics. Crazy. Uptrend, start my break again. What's good, FNAM? How you doing, brother? It's funny how your lunch break at work coincides with our stream every time. It's really cool. Rog pulls up on his break, listens to us, eats some food, and then goes back to the graft. Yeah, broski, what's good? Alpha Mango Gaming, what's good? How you doing, brother? I'm always on break. Yeah, you're always on a smoke break, Eugene. You can call me Mr. Break. Yeah, I got you. Can I wait for the 1 hour closure because the 4 hour close too? Yeah, yeah, I mean, look, we've got a... If this 30-minute doesn't do anything, which it looks like it won't, then yeah, most likely we'll probably have to wait for this 4 hour closure, which is going to give us the most information. But at the minute, yeah, it's not really been moving, to be honest. And look at these last sort of candles here. It's moved barely anything. When you come into Dubai, I gotta see you, bro. I really should come to Dubai. Can't lie, I really should. But not for a while, man. I've been taking too many trips at the minute. When I'm in, yeah, maybe when I go to Bali, we'll stop off in Dubai. Is that on the way? I feel like it's on the way. Like, not directly on the way, but I think it's, I don't know, bro. Anyway. What is it there? Like 40 degrees right now? Insane. Constant heat, man. I struggle in the UK when it's like 30 degrees, so 40 degrees must be next level. Bro's a full-time traveler, part-time trader for real. Bro, I've had no trips recently. Not recently. Before the recent trips, I didn't take any for a long time. So yeah, man. But you're right. I need to lock it back in with the streams and everything. So I'm here for a while, man. I'm here for a while. What about 2372 daily target for sell? Reason no bottom wick. Yeah, it's 2372, bro. Here. $23.70 is the no bottom wick. Yeah, I mean, it's a long way away. To be honest, if you start to close back into this range again on the daily down here, you're most likely gonna fill all the way down to like 2300. But yeah, again, not something I'm too worried about right now. I'm not trying to catch a 300 pip runner. But I would catch it, but we're not attempting it right now. You know what I mean? On the daily, okay, I get you. I want the shadow band to go away. But drop a like there. I appreciate all of you very, very much. Let's try to get to like 75 likes today. Even though it only says there's like 60 viewers, I feel like there's more again, as always. Pretty much most of the time we're on like 80 likes with like 60 viewers. Funny. But yeah, man. Either way, it doesn't matter. So you got 47 minutes to 4-hour close. Listen, when you grab a liquidity like this, yeah, you can expect to continue up just a little bit, right? You've got no reason why this wouldn't continue to push up after grabbing this much liquidity on the close. By the end of the week, you're gonna get to 4K subs. I don't know, bro. The growth slowed down since I got this like weird shadow band thing, but yeah, man, I appreciate it. To be honest, I have started trading. We'll be seeing your learning course, the free once, and we'll join on the Discord very soon. Hey, let's go, bro. Yeah, I appreciate that. I'll see you in there. Yeah, the free course is super valuable. Make sure you do check that out and take notes and everything. And then, yeah. Good stuff, though. Good shit. Gonna have a trip next January, visit my family in Vietnam after 5 years. By that time, I do believe my skill will improve so I can make money while on holiday in Vietnam. Yeah, 100%, bro. 100% FNAM, you got this. Yeah, crazy. Right, I want to go to Vietnam too. Charts for stream. Oh yeah, we looked at this one, right? We looked through this one. If you go back to like the start of stream, I looked through it in detail, but essentially the thought is that we needed a retracement, and also you tapped into sort of a key level there. You see like he's got a level here at 23.88. You sort of tapped into that previously. Additionally, yeah, the 4-hour had no top wick, which is probably what's resulted in it flipping and come back up. And then yeah, you just got quite a heavy rejection area here, which is why I couldn't really take anything. So I would have probably waited for 23.86 to get taken out before taking anything, Colin, if that makes sense. Cool. You think that a degree is important? Depends what you want to do with your life. Depends what your aspirations are in terms of like what you want to do for work and a career and everything. And it depends how hard you can work too. Trumpet guy, yeah, Trumpet guy's back. Forgot about that. Let's get him up here. Screamer. Trumpet guy kills it. Every single time. But yeah, Bill, bro, if you're gonna get a degree, if you're thinking about doing a degree, you need to think about whether it's gonna help you in future in terms of the career that you want to do. You need to think about whether or not you you know, whether or not you can, or you have a skill that you can monetize that you can do rather than a degree. So I don't know, maybe I don't know what it would be, but essentially, do you trust yourself to make it as an entrepreneur, or like doing other things if you don't get a degree? And if you back yourself to do that, then good. If not, then maybe get a degree and then get a job. Like, there's nothing wrong with that at all. For me, if I have a kid, I do think year 1 to 12 are important. Not about what they learn from school, but for them to taste the matrix, build discipline by going to school every day they don't like. yeah, it's not about that. Like, for a kid going to school from year 1 to year 12, like, you got to think about it. Kids need, like, well, humans need a social life, right? They need, you know, they need interaction with other kids. Otherwise, they're not going to be able to socialize. And that's the number one skill that you need to have, right? You need to be able to socialize the same way that I'm socializing with you right now, and we're having a conversation, and, you know, you can understand me, and I, you know, hopefully you like me, you know what I mean? Like, you have to be a likable person, and the only way to really get that is to have that when you're a child, when you're growing up. Very difficult to then, like, train that later. I don't know, bro, because I'm 14 and I'm doing trading for almost a year, and I think I'm close to my first payout, so I think, yeah. Fairs, bro, you got a lot of time to think about it, though. You got, like, 4 years to think about uni. I'd just take your time. You don't know what you want to do right now. Like, trust me, even if you think you do, you don't. I remember thinking that, like, bro, I used to change every single year what I wanted to do for a job when I was, like, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Always have multiple streams. Yes, sir, of course, bro. Yeah, that's a good point from Calm, to be honest, chat. Like, and that's why I never understand why people hate on traders who have groups or whatever, or like courses. Obviously, I don't have a course, but I would never hate on a trader for having a course or another stream of income. Because, like, yeah, what if you have a terrible month in the markets and you make no money and you can't pay rent or whatever it is, you know? It doesn't have to be a course or anything like that. It could be like property. For me, it's like, well, multiple things. I like property. I like, you know, just longer term investments and some other stuff too. But yeah, you always got to have multiple streams, 100%. What's good, Matt? Welcome back, brother. How you doing? Think crypto or forex is better? For what, bro? For trading, forex. For investment, obviously crypto. The 4-hour moves without a liquidity wick, how to handle that situation, or in those situations do we want to avoid trading? Yeah, so let's say that, I don't know, this 4-hour just pushes straight up after closing here. We'd probably call it a day on the stream. Obviously, then later, if we, like, you know, wicked above and then close bearish, you could look to take some sales to continue down. But until you sort of, because if you think about it this way, when you push up without a wick, let's say this 4-hour pushes up here without any top wick, or any bottom wick, you don't know if that's a liquidity grab. It could be exactly the same as this candle here, right? Where you just come above the range for a little bit and then flip down, or like this, right? You just push above the range for a little bit and then use that as liquidity to then push down. And if you end up getting in buys like here or somewhere, you could easily get wrecked off of that. So you have to wait for that liquidity wick to be formed. And if it's not formed, you either don't take it or you wait for it to close the opposite way and take the continuation downwards. But yeah, you have to be able to step away from the charts when your setup's not forming, because yeah, like, listen, that's the number one skill of a trader. You can learn and teach yourself to be able to step away from the charts when you know that you're not going to get anything. Then yeah, that's a key thing. Very, very key. Because otherwise, if you stick on that chart for like 2, 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever it is, by the end of your trading session, you're going to think, fuck, I didn't get any trades right now. And then you'll probably go on Instagram and you'll see Calm Effects making 4K a day. You're like, shit, I need to take a trade. And then you go, okay, I'm just going to take this. And then you get wrecked and you go, why did I do that? So you need to just learn to walk away. It's a very, very key skill. How do I go about fixing my trading? Restrat. Restrat is funny. No, I don't think you need to change strategy, bro. What strategy do you trade, though? That's important. It's ICT, then restrat, yeah. Now I'm playing. Yeah, it depends what strategy you trade, but at the end of the day, it's most likely not your strategy that's the problem. If it was working and then it just suddenly stopped, either your discipline's changed or the market's changed, and most likely your discipline's changed, or your analysis even. Are you fully locked in? Are you fully doing your analysis properly? Are you, letting yourself have a flexible bias, right? Where, I don't know, let's say that whatever your strategy is, let's say that it prints buys, or it looks like buys look good, and then suddenly the market changes and now it looks like sells. You can't still be convinced that it's buys just because you don't want to be wrong, or you're too stubborn to change your mind. It's important to be flexible and understand that you can be wrong in this game, and it's fine. It's actually better to be wrong. Yo, Trent, can you share how you manage risk on your challenge account? You trade the same lot size? 1% risk, bro. 1% risk. Best loser wins, bro. Trust me. Yeah, you're 100% right. Like, if you can learn to cut losses without emotion, that's the one. Like, I think last month we had a trade where I cut losses at like 30 pips or 29 pips or something, and it ran for like 80 pips towards stops. So, that's the same as if I didn't take that trade and then the next day I took 60 pips, right? Because you basically saved yourself 60 pips by cutting that loss early. So it's the same as if you hit full stops and then the next day you hit a 60 pip win. The same thing. If you can think about it that way, think about cutting stops almost like taking that win later on, then I don't know. I think that's a good way to think about it. But yeah, chat, look, so the 30 minutes closing here is 6 minutes. You've got a lot of sort of rejections in this zone, right? So you're basically just bouncing between 400 and 386 at the minute. Again, I need a strong confirmation for buyers because we're we've been strongly bearish for a long time. So in order for me to try and, let's say, catch that reversal, you need to have a strong confirmation. The previous 4 daily candles were bearish. The previous daily did close like pretty much doji though. So that's obviously often a sign that you have got a reversal coming, or at least the movement is slowing down. But yeah, have to understand daily direction, just the same way that you would do with the 1 hour, bro. So literally just think about it as, think about this as like a 1 hour chart. So you've got, okay, you can see, right, we maybe have a support here at 389, but then you also have, 426 is a good area that you closed below yesterday. If you close back into this range below 389, you should rip all the way down. And then you have to also think about, previous daily closed bearish, but you did tap into a level and you started to reject there. So can you have a flexible bias right now? Yeah, maybe. Obviously, until we started to reject, we were bullish this whole way up, right? Entire way, you sort of closed bullish, just with minor retracements, I would say. So, when you're in an uptrend, it's essentially a trend. When you're in an uptrend, you're bullish, and then when you start to trend down, you can change your bias towards bearish. But at the minute, again, we don't really have a confirmation that this is a lower low. This could just be one more of those continuations upwards, grabbing some liquidity to even, rip further up. You don't know for sure yet. Make sense? Hopefully it does. Almost, bro. You shouldn't, it doesn't matter what happens to other traders, bro. It doesn't matter. Like, it happens, it happens. Sorry for asking again. Example, 4 hour moving without a liquidity wick, but in the 30 minutes market, give a clean breakout. Would you take that breakout entry that time, or would you wait for a 4 hour? Yeah, I wouldn't take it because the 4 hour. I wouldn't take it because of the 4 hour, to be honest, because 4 hours is a stronger candle, so it's more likely to. That's like saying now if you get like a 30-minute onion at the top of this range, but the 4 hours like very strong bullish, can you take it? And the answer is no, because it's like a hierarchy. Okay, you have like 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. They get progressively stronger as you go up, right? The confirmations on the 15 is not as strong as the 30, and on the 30 is not as the 1, and the 1 is not as strong as the 4, etc., etc. So you have to sort of listen to what those higher time frame candles are saying. Yes, you might be able to scalp 30 pips even if the 4 hour has no bottom wick, you might be able to scalp, I don't know, a couple of like 10 pips on the 30-minute. But you just have to be cautious about it. It's not something that, you don't want to be trying to force a trade when it's not the perfect setup. If you're thinking to yourself, can I get a trade here, like, even though this is bad, then that's not really what you want to be doing, to be honest. Good lot size for a 50k account. Again, depends on your start spray. I went through earlier how to do, if you want to do fixed lots, how to calculate that. I think, did Spion send it in? Yeah, exactly. There you are. Look, go to the Discord and watch these two clips here. Easy. This 30-minute close above 23.99. I'll get into buys. Okay, bro. You do that. But 23.99 is the 1 hour level, not the 30 level. 30 level is way higher up. It's at 24.03. I guess you could use that level if you wanted to, but it's a bit choppy. Yeah, I hope you understand the patience and the discipline that we sort of have to exercise here. We haven't had a trade on stream for a while, for a couple of days, right? And the reason for that is because, actually, we got one last week on like Friday, but either way, this week we haven't got a trade on stream. And the reason for that is, even though I'm on stream with you guys, I'm not going to force a trade. I'm not going to, try and get a trade and break my plan. You have to stay disciplined, and I want to teach you guys the same thing, right? If it doesn't form in London session, then you've got New York session. If it doesn't form today, then you've got tomorrow. If it doesn't form this week, you got next week, etc. There's always another week. Good raise. How's it going, bro? What's good? What's good? Chat, drop a like if you haven't already, man. Appreciate you all very, very much. Yeah. Crazy. It's been a good few months. Can't lie, it's been a good few months. Growth has been steady and consistent. Yeah, can't complain. Try to get to like 75 likes if we can. Sorry for asking, but it's the reason you're not entering buys, even though the 4 hour looks bullish, because of the daily bias. Well, no, I just need to wait for the 4 hour to close first. I need to wait for it to close above a level, and once it does that, then I can take the buys. But yeah, until then, I can't. If the 4 hour closes above 2400, then yeah, we'll probably take some, or we'll look to take some buys. It's actually not 2400 either, it's a little bit lower. 4 hour just has to close above 23.99. 0.9. So basically it was 2400. But yeah, once you close above there on the 4, this could then just easily be a fake out, right, to come back up, or you end up just tapping this area here. But again, until we do that, right, this could just be a lower low being made, right? Sorry, a lower high being made still. There's just no volume, chat, to be honest. Just absolutely no volume. It's a little bit difficult. If I analyze a pair right now, then you analyze it as well, and please, and show what you think. Sure. Yeah, send it into the Discord, bro. Well. But yeah, chat, if it doesn't form on this 4 hour, unfortunately, I think I'm going to have to call it because, yeah, there's not much I can do, to be honest. I'm hungry again. Why am I getting hungry in the mornings again? It's interesting. What should I eat? What should I eat? Was this school a day or day and board? It was a day and board, but I was only day. Steak. Yeah, steak's a shout. It's too early for a steak, though. Oh, bacon, sausage, egg, hash brown, cob, bro. Don't get me excited, man. That's next level. Yeah, mod, someone delete that signal, please. I'll do it. Moderate my own channel, man. What's going on? Slacking. Yeah, that'd be fire though, I can't lie. Like a full English in a row. Spion. Shit, man, I missed the signal. Yeah, you're chilling. Full margin that calm. You'll be good. You put it in where? Trading floor? Yeah, well, what, this doesn't really show me too much, bro. Like, you think that it's gonna retest this area and then drive down, but why? Like, why is that your area? You know, like, it's not really a comprehensive analysis. Analysis means, like, you go from the daily time frame or the weekly time frame all the way down to whatever time frame you trade on. And if you want to show me it, you write it all out on the side and tell me your reasoning for everything. I went to a boarding school in Devon. It was a blast. Day pupils always envied boarders because of the mischief we were able to get up to. Was it the same for you? Now, to be honest, it wasn't, because my school was more, the boarders were mostly like the foreign exchange students. So like, they used to go over and get a load of students from like China and Japan and places like that, and like, I don't know, I think Russia back in the day too. I think most of those people boarded, but most of the home people, because I don't know, I guess it was in this village, and I don't really want to say too much, but yeah, like, most of the people that I was friends with didn't board, so it wasn't really too bad. I'd say it was mainly a day boarding school. The day school. The boarding school was like a little bit different. We got up to plenty of mischief too, so don't stress about that. That was crazy. Yeah, school days were nuts. My school was like very, very very not strict on certain things. They were strict on a lot of things, but if you're nice to them, they'd like let you get away with a lot too. They also just like lacked on certain things. Like, we used to sneak back in at night and turn the school into like a rally course. We'd like drive through the like everything. We'd like yeah, we turned the whole school grounds into like a race course and just took our cars there. It's so funny. I get you had loads of Chinese students paying 80k whilst we only paid half. Yeah, bro. That's exactly what it was as well. Exactly what it was. Asked to leave. Yeah, fair enough. Right. That was, yeah. That was how they used to do it. I always remember my school used to have Saturday detentions. So we used to have to come in on Saturdays and like for the whole day just do loads of stuff like clean the buses or whatever it is, man. Like just go and it's horrible. I hated it. I used to play football on Saturdays too, and then I'd miss my game because I was on detention. So grim. Chat, you're pushing here. You got 22 minutes to the 4-hour closure. The 30 minutes pushed up, no bottom wick though. Are we gonna see a no bottom wick special? Maybe. Yeah, let's see, chat. Let's see how this 4-hour closes. My school had that shit too. You got 4 warnings. If you got 4 warnings, you sat in detention for 3 hours after school. But in my school, we used to have like house points, obviously, and everything like that. But you used to have a diary that you had to carry around with you, and they'd put like a chit in your diary if you got in trouble. If you got 3 chits, you got a Friday detention. And then if you got a Friday detention, you basically had to come and sit through Friday lunch and break time, which was like 2 hours basically. And then if you got 4 Friday detentions, you got a Saturday. If you got 3 Saturdays, you got like suspension or some shit. I got pretty close. I was smart enough not to do anything after that second Saturday detention. But yeah, chat, listen. 20 minutes here. Hopefully we can start to make a decent closure and not push into the stratosphere before we get anything. Looking yoked today, mate. Thank you. It's the classic oversized t-shirt hack. Just wear something that's way bigger than you, so it makes you look bigger. The cheat code. Put another one in the Discord if you don't mind looking at it. What strategy do you trade, bro? Like, what strategy is this? Is this like the way that we trade? Is this breakouts? Is this support, like supply and demand? Sounds like kindergarten. Nah. Trades break of structure and order blocks. Beautiful. Good, Jan. How you doing, brother? What's good, LASIK as well? All right, LASIK. Welcome back, my boy. Long time. Yeah, if we can close above here with a little retracement, bottom wick, flip, and take some buys up to 2407-ish. Try to use yours combined with FXAUUSD from YouTube. Okay. So that's set and forget. Alright, man. Listen, I'd say stick to one strategy. Stick to one and just use that. Whether it's mine or Alex G's, I wouldn't try and combine them. Just stick to one first and master that. So, you know, if it was me trading this, I'd probably be looking at eurjpy. I'd probably look at, you know, okay, daily's bearish, tapping into this level though. Then you'd look at your zones, zoom in a little bit. Close below here. Got room to push down till 84135. Buys, you need to close back above here. And that's it. I'd wait till we close below 84135 and then sell. Looking to mirror this move down. Stop loss to break even would be at this minor rejection area here. DP would be down at 83956 and that's it. That's what I'd wait for. Until that, I wouldn't take anything. Are you waiting for the 4-hour confirmation? What's good, Mintez? Yeah, I am. I am indeed. I need the 4-hour close to happen first. Otherwise, obviously, I can't take anything. You've pushed quite far there, but again, we had no trade entry before this, so we're gonna wait for this 4-hour close and see if it gives us anything, which looking like it might do, right? You just need to pull back a little bit first and leave yourself a top wick. Do you know Oliver Velez's strategy? No, I don't. I know my strategy, and that's it. Nah, but I actually don't. Anyway, chat. So we've got 18 minutes here. I'd say start to lock it in a little bit. Let's see if we can start hunting for some positions. Yeah. But yeah, chat, drop a like anyway before this 4 hour closes. Appreciate you all. Will you do 1-to-1 or wait for at least 1-to-2 now for gold? Listen, we place our stop loss and our take profit based on what the market dictates. We don't base it off of like a specific one, like risk to reward, right? So, you know, I'm not looking at, oh, can I get a 1-to-1? Can I get a 2-to-1 or whatever it is? I'm waiting to see where, you know, where we close, where logical stops will be. At the minute, logical stops would most likely be, I mean, the actual logical stops are going to be below the 4 hour, right? But that's going to be way too big. So we'd have to probably wait for a bottom wick and then take stops below the 1 hour, which if we retrace would be about 50 pips. And then we probably look to target these highs up here. So I don't know, you'd be looking at sort of, I guess that would be a 2-to-1, but you know, it's not based off of that. You know, we're not looking solely off of which RR can we get. We don't really worry too much about that here. I used to be so good when I started. I found myself looking back at it to see what I did. Yeah, sometimes that's called confirmation bias, brother. Sometimes you think you were better than you were. And don't worry about the past either. Like, don't worry about what you used to do, what you do now, any of that stuff. Oh yeah, worry about what you do now, sorry, but don't worry about what you used to do or, you know, what might happen. If I can guess your middle name, you owe us a fire video. Deal? I'm gonna give you a fire video anyway, but sure, give it a guess. I bet you've like found something somewhere. Most likely you can't guess my middle name. Unless you've seen it somewhere. Maybe. I have more than one middle name though. You have a middle name? What do you mean, Spion? Yeah. Yeah, I do. Joshua, bro. You prick. Yeah, fair play. Good guess. Looks like I've got a stalker, eh? Insane. No clue. And don't say where you found it, Joshua. Alright, I'm trusting you. Lawsuit. Yeah, trust me. I'm gonna arrest him. The moment he said that, I knew he had it. No one comes into chat randomly and says, if I guess your middle name, without already knowing it. Same shit as yesterday, pushing for liquidity, no bottom wicks on the lower time frame. Yeah, true. It loves to do that, right? But again, you got a 4 hour confirmation here, which is a strong confirmation, so we'll see. You got more room to push, to be honest. Range 1 only though? No, it's not. It's not, because range 1 would have been back above here, right? Bro, the same fucking number keeps ringing me. Also, it's a 4-hour confirmation, right? So it's a much stronger confirmation. We need to see chat here. We've got 12 minutes, so lock it in a little bit. Certain pairs to relate to certain people. What do you mean, brother? Certain people? I know that certain people trade certain pairs only. Like, I only trade gold, but it doesn't mean it relates to me. Vice versa. Morning, She. What's good, Jar? How you doing, brother? All good, my mate. Good shit. Good stuff. But chat, London just hasn't been printing entries recently. I'm not sure why. See if we can grab a little pullback here before the 4-hour close, right? And then it would be good to take some buyers to continue upwards. You are pushing. Okay. You're pushing there. You didn't really want to tap into this level, which you sort of are now. Still got like 30 pips of room, but at the same point, now that you're tapping into here, you probably want to close above it. Which means, yeah, we've probably gone a little bit too far, but... yeah, it gets difficult there, I can't lie. Now you're tapping into sort of the 1-hour structure up here too. Yeah, look at this though, like, there's nothing we could have done again. You going to the gym? Hey, what's good, Nicholas? How you doing, brother? Welcome back. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't have time today. We'll see. If I do go, I'll be training chest, probably. Have a good day, bro. Yeah, see you in a bit, Andrew. Appreciate you. See you in a bit. Staying patient and disciplined as always. Yeah, always, bro. What's good, Joe? That's the vibe, bro. Always got to stay disciplined and patient. But yeah, chat. Needs to break some... bro. Eugene's having a little aneurysm there in chat. 30-minute no bottom wick. I know, yeah, that's what makes it so tough. If you could see this 30-minute flip, oh. But it's bearish with the 4-hour. Obviously, chat is a long shot. It's most likely not going to happen. And yeah, listen, you're coming up towards the top of this range right now on the 4, so it gets a little bit difficult. But we can come down no bottom wick first. Potentially, we can look at getting a wick entry just to fill this range up. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, man. But chat, yeah. Also, make sure you go check out that video whilst I've got you here. Make sure you go check out that video that I posted yesterday. There's a free giveaway in it. All you have to do to enter is comment on that video. So, literally just win a funded account for basically nothing. So yeah, go check that out. I'm just gonna copy the link here. And yeah, like this stream too. Like the stream as well, because obviously, or night, but crazy. Yeah, man. Like the stream too, because we're trying to grow it back. I believe I've got a little bit of a shadow ban right now, because obviously we dropped from like 250 a stream to like whatever it is now. So we're trying to push through that, and obviously it's not going to affect anything too bad, but yeah, I need your guys' support on that one. So I appreciate you all very, very much. And yeah, that's it. Buy order? No, not yet. Not yet, not yet. Good Crypto Maniac, how you doing, brother? What's good, what's good, what's good? Yeah, I noticed that. Why do you think it is? It's either one of two things, right? It's either that we actually do have the viewers and it's just showing a glitch, which is done to me before, right? It's been glitched before, but because like yesterday's stream or Friday's stream we got 100 likes, but it said we only had 80 viewers total, which is like obviously not right. Or we just got shadow banned by someone or something. Literally it. It's been a long time. You didn't take a trade? Yeah, it has, bro. No, we took one on Friday. Been like 2 days. Or maybe it was Thursday, but yeah, it's been like two or 3 days. So that's not too long, to be honest. And yeah, all about managing your discipline, right? I'm not going to take a trade just because I haven't taken a trade in a while and the stream might be affected. I'm back and I've got sparkling water time to lock in. That means you're really locked in, bro. Need a pullback here on this 4 if we're going to take it, chat. Because yeah, there's not much range, just like Crypto Maniac says. The lock-in juice. Yes, sir. Buy or sell, both. Same time. Did you see Andrew, NFX prop firm? He just started to do a review on it. If you can, he was known for... Oh, he just started. Do a review on it if you can. He was known for getting banned from most prop firms. Mad. Yeah, I know him. I didn't know he started a prop though. Interesting. Yes, of course, bro. Quality over quantity. Yeah, 100%. 100%. Yeah, chat, this gets tough here now. Because look at this, right? Now, if you want to take buys, you've got 20 pips of room, but your stops are like massive. So you either need a pullback or you need to close above, but it looks like it's probably not going to do either of those things. I think you're most likely going to close at the top of this range. Yeah, which makes it a little bit difficult, I can't lie. Maybe the 4 hour candle closes without top wick. Yeah, bro, 100% it could do. Especially if he keeps pushing up this way. But yeah, you do need a retest. Filled over half the range. Bro, it's filled like 80% of the range now. Yeah, it was like a 80 pip range that we had here. And you've got like 10, 15 pips of it left. Yeah, not ideal. FOMO trap if I've ever seen one. Yeah, trust me. Chat, some people call it overextended. Some people say it's driven too far. But look at this. This is the same as the sells the other day. Someone was asking me for sells down here. I just was like, bro, you can't take sells when it's done this. And when you drive like this, if you got the sells here, great. If you got the sells here, also good. Once you get to like this candle and this candle, it's just too far. You've literally just driven 200 pips in a couple of hours. And this time we've literally driven like 170 pips in just over an hour. So, yeah, no structure. But I can't catch a reversal either here too. Because I can't try and take sells on a 4 hour candle that's this bullish. I just can't do it. I'd rather wait. So we'll wait till the closure in 3 minutes. If you retrace a little bit, then maybe we can take a buy up. But if that doesn't happen, then yeah, it's going to be game over. Nah, you tapped into the top of the range too. Thanks for your live stream. Yeah, anytime, Anupam. Anytime. Thanks for pulling up. When price does this, do you redo your levels and ranges? I don't need to redo them, right? Because these are my 4 hour levels. But what I need now is, once you tap, for me, my strategy at least, or the way that I trade, once you tap into the level, right, now you need to close above it. Because you can just tap into this level and reject any single time, right? You can literally just tap into this, Go like this and then reject. And then maybe you retest and then maybe you come up. But until you now close above this level, that's when you can then grab that retracement and that continuation upwards. But you don't want to take buys here, or even like, I would say here right now. So wait, let me delete this. You don't want to take buys where we are right now because you've already tapped into the top of that level. So for all you know, we could just do this and this. If you take those buys, you get caught here, and that's just straight down. My Oanda chart is a mess recently. Which one are you using? Because my 4 hours are a little different. Yeah, I swapped to FXCM. Like FXCM. Because Oanda, the gaps are just fucking crazy. Yeah, the gaps are ridiculous, so I had to change. Smoking kills. I wound up taking a gap here at the minute, trust me. Gap central. One thing you could potentially do here is if you come down and tap into 2400 without a bottom, without a top wick, and then reflip, you could potentially take some bias to fill the range. But again, it depends on the closures here. If the 15-minute close is bearish, then yeah, it's just not good. It's quite a strong rejection off this level, right? Ooh. Let's see though, chat. 1 minute to the 4 hour close. I want to see what it does on the open, and then after that, that'll be it. Well, it depends actually. Yeah, let's see here, chat. So you got 50 seconds. Again, I'll say it one more time, but you don't need to force anything, right? You don't need to be worried about taking certain trades or, you know, getting specific entries. If it doesn't come, it doesn't come, right? It's just part of the game. Truly is just part of the game. So it doesn't matter if you don't get an entry right now. I'll be trading New York in the Signals channel as always. Yeah. It's going to be that. How do I go about making a trading plan or getting one? Oh, that's an excellent question. I've got a very, very good video for you to watch on it. The video by a certain YouTuber called Trendlines. And it basically says how to create your perfect trading plan. There you go. Chat, so the 4 hour opened here, top wick first. So yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna call it here, chat, to be honest. Top wick first. You tapped into the level. I need to see a big retracement before I can grab anything. And yeah. Oh, 5 minute no top wick. Interesting. Trendlines is a pretty good YouTuber, supposedly pretty good looking as well. Ah, you're cute, bro. You're cute. Thanks, my man. Yeah, but chat. What we're going to do here is I'm going to play some pixel letters and we'll call it a day, man. It's been a good stream. It's been super valuable. We had a lot of good questions being asked and a lot of value being provided. So I'm super happy about that. We don't always have to grab a trade, and yeah, it just so happens that London recently hasn't been the best for us. So that's fine. But yeah, if you are going to drop off before we play the game, make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Make sure you join the Discord too. It's completely free, so make sure you jump in there. And other than that, so let's play this game, man. Try and oh, bands. See what we've got here, chat. Right, someone's going to have to help me out on this one. Exclamation mark pixel letters. Not a bad one. Easy. Double use. Alright, chat. Explain the game, please. Yeah, Akosi, it's like Wordle, right? But you have to guess what the word is basically, and it tells you where the pixels are from the letters down here. So for example, you see there has to be pixels from a letter down here in these spaces, but not in these spaces. The red ones mean that there's no pixel from a letter there. The blue means that there's a B in this space. So it's like Wordle, but basically it's a little bit different. Yeah, I need your help. Bladder's a crazy guess, Eugene. Lead? Yeah, it can't be a D at the end. I was thinking about that. Can't be a P either. No, let's just do it as a filler guess. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, chat. What's this letter? B-R I D E. Easy. 100% win streak on this chat. Insane. Right, final one, chat. You gotta help me out on this one because I don't want to choke it. Never mind. What is it, chat? What is it? Can't be stone. Game link. It's just pixletters.com. You can see it up here. Can it be Stoke? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it can't be Stoke either. Stole? Oh yeah, it can be Stole, of course. Yeah, good guess. Well, Spion guessed that, and then Anjeet. Good shit. Alright, chat, so yeah, look, we wouldn't have got anything here anyway, even if we waited. So good shit, chat. Good discipline, good patience, good understanding of the market there, and great participation and questions from you this morning. You guys are absolutely killing it. Make sure you go and check out that other video. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. And if you're trading New York, try and stick to your plan, stay disciplined, and make sure you trade responsibly. But other than that, chat, that's going to be it from me. Hopefully you have a great rest of your day. Hopefully you guys kill it in whatever trades you take. And yeah, that's going to be it from me, man. So enjoy the rest of your day. See you all later. Same time tomorrow, UK time, 8 AM for the streams. Other than that, peace out. Much love. I'm playing.
So this shit crazy.
Yo, can you make that clap for me, baby? Let me see that back. back. Smash not past you, baby girl, car you too bad. You're too bad. You know I'm trying to get paid today, I need it cash. Need it cash. Bro disappeared with the pack and ran off, do not flash. Yo, I know that you want me, baby. Head so good, you drove me crazy, bro. Hopped out of the whip, one set. Gotta serve Brenda and Stacey. Shit then, bro. Gotta start adding it up. I've been paid too much lately. All these jewels on me, I shine in the dark. I pray that I get home safely. Can't beg her to stay, man, beg her to leave. Give what, where I wanna receive. No MLK, but I had a dream. Treat JD how I treat LV. AK got that, drop 10 bags. DXP, man, rev up the wag. Ain't got bread, why lie, what's that? Do what I say, shake that back. Can you make that clap for me, baby? Let me see that back. Let me see that back. Smash not past you, baby girl, car you too bad. You're too bad. You know I'm trying to get paid today, I need it cash. Need it cash. Bro disappeared with the pack and ran off, do not flash. Yo, was gonna reach out to you right now, but I might just like that picture. Aye, the ting bro got him now, same height as my little sister. Aye, so many laps on the block, I'm counting bands and blisters. No she leng if I hit that, numerous ones that I ain't gonna claim no. Aye babes, you're fine, I ain't tryna waste your time. You look like you got some motion, you put that on every time. You're not that guy, you ever been that guy. I boss my nut, she climax. You ever hit that right? Can you make that clap for me, baby? Let me see that back. Let me see that back. Smash not past you, baby girl, car you too bad. You're too bad. You know I'm trying to get paid today, I need it cash. Need it cash. Bro disappeared with the pack and ran off, do not flash. Yo, can you make that clap for me, baby? Let me see that back. Let me see that back. Smash not past you, baby girl, car you too bad. You're too bad. You know I'm trying to get paid today, I need it cash. Need it cash. Bro disappeared with the pack and ran off, do not flash. Yo.
Yeah, peace out, much love, catch you in the next one, bye bye. Yeah.